Hello guys, today we will discuss class 10th English and the chapter is A Truly Beautiful Mind and this is chapter number 4. So before starting to explain the chapter we should know few lines. What do you think of when you hear the word genius? Okay, means in short we can say that what is the meaning of genius and what is the general meaning which people think about the word genius. Who is a genius? What is genius and who is genius? What qualities do you think a genius has? Okay, three questions. First is when you heard the word genius, who is genius? What qualities do you have for calling genius? Okay, we shall now read about a young German and civil servant who took the world by storm about 100 years ago. Means in short we can say that in the summer 1905 the 26-year-old published in quick success 4 groundbreaking papers about light, the Morton particles, the electrodynamic moving bodies and energy. His work took up only a few pages in scientific journals but changed forever our understanding of space, time and the entire cosmos and transformed the name Einstein into a synonym for genius. Means in short we can say that the word genius refers to here Einstein. Okay, Einstein. 50 years after his death, Albert Einstein genius still reigns. Okay, after the death of Einstein, a person can use the word genius for that great man. So let's start. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in the German city of Ulm. Means here we can say that the great person Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in a city, the name of the city German, and in the city of German a place Ulm, without any indication that he was destined for greatness. There was no symbol indication that Einstein was a great person while when he took birth. But on the contrary, this mother thought what this mother thought Albert was a freak. Means here the word freak, we can say that the word freak is used disapprovingly to talk about a person who is unusual and does not behave, look or think like others. Freak means he was a unique person. Means his thought, his body, his action were different from the other general people. His head seemed much too large. At the age of 2.5, Einstein still was not talking. Means when Einstein became 2.5 years old, still he found himself unable to talk to anybody. When he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. When Einstein learned to speak, he used to speak everything twice. Einstein did not know what to do with other children. Einstein have not enough sense what he should do with the other children. With the company of the children, his playmates called him Brother Boring. He was called Brother Boring by the other children, and his playmates called him Brother Boring. So the youngster played by himself. Means here much of the time he especially loved mechanical toys. Means Einstein used to love mechanical toys. Looking at his newborn sister Maja, he said to have said, "Fine, but where are her wheels?" A headmaster once told his father that what Einstein chose a profession would not matter because he will never make a success at anything. Okay. Einstein began learning to play the violin at the age of 6. Means at the age of 6, Einstein started to play violin because his mother wanted him to. He later became a gifted amateur violinist, maintaining this skill throughout his life. He was the best player for violin, and he made this quality for lifelong. In para number 4, but Albert Einstein was not a bad pupil. He went to high school in Munich. Means he studied high school in Munich, where Einstein family had moved when he was 15 months old, and scored good marks in almost every subject. Einstein hated the school's regimentation and often clashed with his teachers. At the age of 15, Einstein felt so stifled there that he left the school for good. Guys, and in para number 5, the previous year Albert parents had moved to Milan. Next year means the previous year Albert Einstein parents moved to Milan and left their son with the relatives. He did not go with his parents. He stayed with his relatives. After prolonged discussion, Einstein got his wish to continue his education in German-speaking Switzerland in city which was more liberal than Munich. Okay, guys.